Stumbled upon a KJ file containing Japanese text, and your editor is showing garbled characters? These contain kanji encoded Japanese content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these kanji text files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party KJ file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. KJ files are text files containing Japanese kanji characters encoded in legacy Japanese character sets such as Shift-JIS EUC-JP or JIS. They store written Japanese content for documents, notes, or data exchange and require proper character encoding detection and font support to display correctly on modern systems. KJ. Text files use traditional Japanese encodings like Shift-JIS EUC-JP or ISO 2022-JP rather than modern UTF-8. The format is plain text with no formatting markup, but requires the reading application to detect or specify the correct encoding to render kanji, hiragana, and katakana characters properly without mojibake corruption. The essential opener for the KJ structure is Notepad++ developed by Don Ho. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows provides straightforward support for this type of file. Begin the search for the correct application association. Right-click the KJ file and choose Open With. Use Notepad++ first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn KJ files. If your KJ file is not opening yet, that is normal. Because the KJ format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, opening with encoding detection. Open the KJ file in a Unicode-aware text editor like Notepad++, Sublime Text, or VS Code. Use the encoding menu to switch between Shift-JIS EUC-JP or ISO 2022-JP until the Japanese characters display correctly. Notepad++ has an encoding menu where you can manually select the proper Japanese encoding. Next, converting to UTF-8. Once the correct encoding is identified, use the editor's Convert to UTF-8 function to save the file with modern Unicode encoding. This ensures the file opens correctly in any modern application without manual encoding selection. Tools like iconv on Linux or PowerShell on Windows also handle batch encoding conversion. Finally, installing Japanese language support. On Windows, install Japanese language support through Settings, then Time and Language, then Language. On macOS, Japanese rendering is built in. Ensure proper Japanese fonts like MS Mincho or Hiragana Mincho are installed to display kanji glyphs correctly across applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.